of a insurance producer. Just to let you know that we are, at least I am, I'm always working just to make our agency look better, run better, actually be able to intake all of our clients' needs, basically take a hold of anything that's basically thrown at us. As an agency owner, I just want to make sure that our people that are working for us have all the tools that they need so that we're able to kind of like focus on what's important, mainly the customer and getting them what they want. We don't really try to focus on, trying to get you the highest price or, the most coverage, and, just to say that just in case you move forward within a year or you jump forward, let's say you win the lottery or something like that. We don't really focus on that. We just want to stay realistic and say these are your goals. And as far as building you up for your commercial coverage, we'll focus on that. You know, we'll focus on giving you what you need and what you're working with right now, and try to frame it over what you have last year, because we understand how underwriting usually goes. Agents usually want to see that you have something on the books and that you're at least a viable company with some sort of, safety and risk mitigation. It, I guess implementations involved inside your company. Now, let's say, for example, you actually have trainings available, or if you're actually kind of working on, getting your customers or your clients a bit more updated with your, I guess, your cyber protection policy. Not necessarily cyber protection. I'd say mostly like your payment processors. Like, for example, you don't want to get, robbed or have skimmers come around and just kind of mess with your machines while you're not there. So you want to keep your employees at least on the lookout, give them some bit of training. You can find something online, maybe even something from your current provider that can show you just how to keep your employees up to date on just their training. Because, we live inside of an age where people are just looking for anything, any way to just kind of like commit a crime and get away with it, and have you foot the bill and kind of get away scot-free. So the best thing you want to do is just make sure you're protected, make sure that you actually have plans in place to stop it when it's happening, enforce your plans, enforce it with your employees first, and make sure that they understand what to look out for from bad actors, criminals, and just pretty much lookouts that will be out there. I would say the best thing to do is just make sure that everyone is honest and faithful to your company, and also just reward them, just for being the great people that they are, and you would never have any issues. Um, Not to say about that, it's great to work as an agency owner where we're able to do that. We have a great bonus system. We have great technology and great training that's coming up from all of our partners, from IMG and um, I'm sorry, Valor Financial, all of our other carriers that we're affiliated with that have great training programs and product training webinars, just to get us a bit more information on what's new, what's upcoming, and just how to reach out to our customers and even our prospects a bit easier. We always want to come in with, the full toolbox, so that we can fix everything for you. And basically, we just want to be the one-stop shop for all your insurance needs, your finance, real estate sometimes later on. I just don't want to keep everything where we're just kind of like a agency that you just could just use for one thing. I believe that there's always a lot of talent available inside of certain wheelhouses. Certain things mix each other, up. Like, for example, you could say life insurance and being a stockbroker, because you would actually could do the buy term and invest the difference a little bit with them. You could also just kind of look at the differences and better advantages of index universal life versus whole life, depending on your situation, where you work, and what's offered by, what you're doing as your industry. There are certain standards that we just have to really work around. Like, for example, teachers get very good benefits, but there are certain advantages that could be offered to a teacher from a broker or a brokerage firm like ours that could definitely help you with your plans in the future. And to kind of do a little Houston turn, a little jump in traffic, because As soon as someone sees your turn signal, they just want to speed up a little bit. Well, that's Houston. So I just had to kind of make it home a little bit. I'm just a few minutes there, and I just want to really thank everyone for tuning in. And just to say, if you have anything that you want to discuss with us, any type of business ventures you want to try to work with us, we're always looking for people. I'm always willing to listen to what you have to offer and see if we could fit it in with ourselves, our staff, and see if it's a part of our business's plans in the future. So, say thank you and wonderful night. Goodbye.